In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader on both PC and Mac. This feature is incredibly handy when you want to focus entirely on the content of your PDF without any distractions from menus or toolbars. So let's get started and dive into this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the PDF document that you wish to view in full screen mode. Make sure you have Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader already installed on your system, and double click the file or right click and select Open with Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Once your document is open, you're ready for the next step. Move your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see the hamburger menu icon. This button looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu containing various options. It's worth noting that these menus provide a lot of other features and customization tools, so feel free to explore them afterward if you're curious. Now, from the menu that appears, you're going to find and select the option labeled View. This is your gateway to adjusting how your document is displayed. Under the View menu, you'll see an option called Full Screen Mode. Click on this selection and voila! Your PDF is now displayed in full screen with all extraneous menus and toolbars out of the way, providing you with a clean, distraction-free reading experience. For those of you who love quick shortcuts, there's an even more efficient way to enter full screen mode. All you need to do is press Ctrl+L on your keyboard if you're using a PC. If you're on a Mac, simply substitute with Command+L. This is a faster method, especially helpful if you frequently switch between full screen and regular views, or if you just prefer using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. And there you have it, transitioning to full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat. An Acrobat Reader is quite simple and surely enhances your viewing experience by reducing distractions. Whether you're using this feature to present a document, review a lengthy report, or simply read through an engaging article, full screen mode allows you to stay focused on the material at hand. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and encourage you to try this out next time you're working with PDFs. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great tips on using Adobe software, and have a great day.